Welcome to Burak Metering Private Limited. Burak Metering proudly stands as a leading Indian manufacturer of innovative metering solutions. We provide customized solutions for applications in liquid flow measurements, such as clear water, wastewater, chemicals, etc., as well as gas flow measurement, such as air, oxygen, argon, natural gas, and so on, catering to diverse industries like utilities, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, and beyond. Our state-of-the-art facility is designed to capture accurate and reliable measurement outputs from our products, ultimately optimizing resource management and cost efficiency for our customers. Burak metering products range from electromagnetic flow meters, ultrasonic flow meters, Vortex flow meters, thermal mass flow meters, and turbine flow meters. Over the years, we have been a trusted industry player as we continue to revolutionize the metering landscape, while our highly qualified team of experts ensures every component design meets optimum customer requirements and complies to global industry standards. Using the latest and cutting-edge technologies positions our products as one of the most reliable and accurate flow measurement meters in the market. At Burak Metering, all our components are designed, built, and tested to meet the highest standards and technical specifications, ensuring quality, performance, and reliability. In a diverse industry, uniformity falls short. However, our customers can rely on our customized solution offerings tailored to match the specific needs for liquid and gas applications. Each component is backed by industry-specific approvals, quality checks, and test certifications. Burak Calibration Lab is designed as per ISO 17025 and traceable to global benchmarks. Our qualified technicians incorporate best-in-practice methodologies for calibration. The calibration lab is equipped with multiple skids to calibrate liquid flow meters as well as gas flow meters. At Burak Metering, quality assurance is the cornerstone of our commitment to excellence. Our rigorous quality control processes span across every phase of the production, from the initial design up to the final product. With unwavering attention to detail, our dedicated team ensures that each component adheres to the highest industry standards. At Burak Metering, our services is a key aspect of our solution offerings. Our service portfolio includes customized solutions, calibration, validation, maintenance and support, and on-site installation. Our support team are on standby to address all queries and concerns for our customers. Our logistics team makes sure that our flow meters reach our customers on time and with all supporting documents as per client requirement, wherever they are across India and also across the world. At Burak Metering, investing in knowledge and expertise is a fundamental value. Our commitment to excellence extends to our technical team through comprehensive training programs. This equips them to provide impeccable technical support, seamless integration, and bespoke solutions to our clients. The Burak Metering management serves as the driving force behind our success. Comprising visionary leaders with diverse industry expertise, they steer the company towards innovation and growth. Their strategic acumen guides product development, customer relations, and market expansion. With a commitment to excellence, they foster a culture of collaboration, ensuring our solutions align precisely with industry demands. With continuous learning and hands-on experience, Burak Metering remains at the forefront of the flow measurement industry, ensuring our clients receive not only top-tier products, but also unmatched technical proficiency and assistance. For all your flow measuring needs, you can rely on Burak Metering. You can rely on Burak flow meters. You can rely on us, and you can rely on people behind measurement.